Where did Satan get it in his heart that he wanted to be like God? Where did Satan get it in his heart that he would ascend and be like the Most High? Genesis chapter 1, verse 26. And God said, let us make man in our image, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creepeth upon the earth. The catalyst for the fall of Satan was his jealousy for the dominion that God gave to you. This beautiful angelic being, seeing this lowly creature being given divine authority, made in the image of God, jealousy began to stir in his heart. Satan is cast down to the earth. Now watch this. Satan is cast down where? To the earth. Who had dominion there? Man. So now he's subject to the authority of man. What a punishment. He's jealous that God gave him authority, says, I'm gonna be like you, tries to overthrow him, and God says, okay, now you can go be under his dominion. So we had dominion over Satan since the beginning. Now watch this. Satan knew that he could not ascend again. So the only hope he had at gaining dominion over man was not in his own ascent, but in man's descent.